Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the different options to add and edit images in your Getresponse landing page. If you don't yet have a Getresponse account, make sure to check the link in the description below. You can use it to create a free forever Getresponse account with 30 days access to all Getresponse premium features. Now let's get started. First, let's open the landing page we created in our previous videos. To add an image, simply drag this image element from the toolbar and drop at the desired section. Now to add our own image, choose the image element and click Replace. Here we have multiple options to add an image to our landing page. First, we can add an image file directly from our computer by clicking My Files, then Add Files, and either drag and drop the image file into this box, or click Select a file from your computer. Or we can directly import an image from any website by copying the image URL and then click the Import from URL tab and paste the image link into this field. Next, by clicking the free Getresponse Images tab, we can directly choose an image from thousands of free images in the Getresponse library. And we can filter these images by category from this list. Also, we can find thousands more images by accessing the Shutterstock gallery directly from this tab. And there is also the option to add GIFs directly by clicking here. After adding our image, we have many options to edit the image in Getresponse. To access the image editor, choose the image and click Edit. From here, we can add different effects to the image, add different stickers, rotate the image or flip it horizontally or vertically, resize the image to custom dimensions by entering the width and height values here, crop the image to a specific ratio, add text to the image, use the draw tool on the image, and adjust the image by editing the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, gamma, and noise levels. To save the image after editing, simply click the Save button. By double-clicking the image, we can see more options to edit here, like the quick resize and crop controls. Quickly access the files and image galleries from this icon. Add borders or shadows to the image from here. Add a hyperlink to the image by clicking this link icon. Here we have the same options as we clarified in our previous videos on how to add different types of links. And we can quickly access the image editor from here. To move the image, simply drag and drop the image anywhere in the landing page. And to resize the image, we can drag these outer indicators. If you want to duplicate the image, simply click this plus icon on the top right corner of the image. And finally, if you want to delete an image, click the delete icon from that same menu. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check the playlists in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use Getresponse. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.